I recorded my debut album in December of 2023. The album got released in October of 2024, and it was a pretty exciting deal for me. For me, it's a passion that I put a lot of time into and I really care about, but for me, my main thing is being a language revitalizationist. My day job is I'm actually a cultural teacher at our Cherokee Immersion Charter School in Tahlequah, Oklahoma. You know, even though I love doing the music and it's important to me and I really believe in getting it out there, it's only a part of my long-term mission. And so I do mostly songs and dances, whether it's contemporary or traditional. And I'm very grateful to do what I get to do.